Jumapili ya tariki 15 cy'omutenyi ogatatu omwaka wa 2024 umwancu murire nkwege nari turi ndigenderete ko bari toyero twigma nanene no genderete kwego kya asoko bwatia emiroberi yonsi gataseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii namanga genderete go korekana imense ya Kenya kirori turi rero aturocho murayiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto egatia barayibande kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza abagenderete no musangirikano bw'amasabo ase ensemo ya ensaine yotoka Kilgoris meye county ya Narok na sensemo ya yeo mokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua amonega tiabarayibande na barabagenderete no musangirikano bw'amasabo ase kanisa ya AIC Kapsabet imeye county ya Nandi na chiro botogenderete kubwatia iri kumanya ninki barabe bagukwana atiga kibare ase mesangirikano eyo yamasabo kandi cyaragire CHINSA ISANO nebere cyabona mubaso ekarongo kwarigania SMS AMAYIA iri kumanyibuna nara yaya asumu basobono na kwarigania senchera ere yobwenge Neromna sensemo ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyarwetera Ndizi TV News na bayigona bakuya somwetera se website yaito www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga sogwamo EVERLYENE OSERO Abigael Nyanchama kwene kya chipichanerio gichawe kira senchira benengo kwarganyo be kubusanga 90 komario AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO nebira senchira yobenge toko ya chaka bene awase omubunge o South Mugrango Silva omubunge o West Mugrango imeye county ya Nyamira Steve Mugaka nigagendrete kwego keria obokoreri bw'amagendero ase bunge yogati abogosira amagacho ase chiskuru chipara egati ya yandamanke ne chinga kyagendrete go chengira obokoreri bwaye aso mwako yomo buna omochumbe wensemeyo nigononya nabo aberega kugokera alibagarigiye yabereri gotoka asebunge ya West Mugrango yo kwarigania chigosori cyo kwegya gose drama festivals asekerengo kia regional sechire cyo omwero ekirabe chikwariganiwa ase eskuru y'abamurayi ya Nyamira Boys nabo igeskuru y'abamurayi ya Kebirigo Boys ase chiskuru cyo secondary nabo igo echio uboroso nigatero neri bagari yari gokonya asebunge ya West Mugrango nabo igo county ya Nyamira sobwagare gokina asaruro kubore oche asabamenyi korwa CHINSA anene abanchurere wesokya na kweno kyabuna batumekireri bagerio ase ogokinia obonchurere bwabo nigatero nigo barachi kogendera kubekemero bere yogokinia amangana ye chigosori nabo igo amagendero ase chiskuru asinanya nabo aine kiremero berio emekrano bosio bwa omboyogo yogatiabo oburendi
abakoleire emirimo etana okolekana asokorosia chiskuru cheito chialenga maurumomo asokorosia infrastructure ya security na asokorosia latest chi hall multipurpose halls ase skuru ya Senator Kibaso pamoja no kurenovate a hall ya Kibirigo Boys na endo mogokone no linga because of emirime yemi ya kolekanire ekona chiete go sorora buna na intutu nyora abantu bagutumia chiholi chicheito gwakira nyasaye ngambu yamono inga the regional drama festival drama yensemo ya west of Kenya bwataba Luya bwataba Gere bwataba Gusii bwataba Kuria na banyamatu bake bonsi pi igo bagocha gukora the regional finals as a constituency yane ya West Mugrango skuru chia primary igo chigocha gukorera drama yabo as a Senator Kibaso ni skuru chia secondary igo chigocha gukorera drama yabo as a skuru ya Kibirigo Boys ndagete gwakira abalimu bechikuru echibere neki board chiabo azuko nyanchera gokore ndoto yane yokoro chiholi echo una nachiro sirie yagerire yaretire competition yejiga asabantu baitu bali Gusii and in particular abakoli biashara bali Nyamira bali Kibirigo for the first time geso uru chioteli chionspigo chigo ichora wiki ngima bookings chikolire n'abalimu n'abantu bali baguchigokora drama igo tugucha konyora ebiashara bitana kororekana igo naburirie abahoteli abane bale ase constituency ya West Mugirango n'abande bale Kisii n'abande bale North Mugirango Chikonge Resort monkonye abageni baito banyore service baguchi kutumeka konie constituency yaito ne town yaito ya Nyamira asiba guchikogenda guchia
na sechinga kiecho mugaka boigaruro kuboria gochiase abantane nabaibori bwone kebunango esoke bare erio gosira ebyegwa byabana babo tokoskamoso nigo omubiri musacho yomo otoka ase CHINSA sub location ya Oganko kase ensemo ya AMAYIA County ya Nyamira gotingi ase emeteime ase naboni gotebekana unanigo bete kago kubekwa gusekoretwa na kubekwa asayo niga bamenye ko rwase CHINSA mecho bagikerie egekorekyo na otebabuna ose ase amate ya nyagosiro yo egoteba iyo sobe gotebekana ko baekerenyo abagosioria abuna nyagosira nigo asamatkamagega acheta somocho bosongo kogora ebinto byegari korende buna litkoria lero asumubiro ye obakogotoka ase CHINSA mecho nigo baganire obotati wemego korokegima erio komanyana kimubiro yo kutoka ase CHINSA mecho
tangurukwa Gladys Kengara mugambi bwogango sub location egotoka manga sub county Nyamira County yalengerero mambia mugakonde n'umungino nde bachaba kanyumba bande binga abanyolira umubiri usuna ina simete ya irange ne lami ekurumya byoto kwenda nyaikuru na chalende na ikapa korona nyora ne kene muntu nabaletire ororaitire gaitire tu asangao agaletu paka agaiga igatingira niri nechingolo kando ya yechuba ya sidinjale ngororo naruona tebire ndabaskari bamanga bachicha kero bacha banyoreke bande kyo mugako uyu driving license ekadi yo wakachikura nechibesenchale ngomuguko
obo maene umuntu uyu nabasibire nengoli nabo yarenge ugutantania gekogera asibire nengoli lakini atajitense yekorekana nga umuntu bagotebure kwengenta lakini utajete 19 manyetinga umuntu nengente gatajitense kweli ikonaranga umuntu itera saiteire akaretuga
ntwe serikali tutagetebu ati kisimi kyaye bamanye ngambara bibale gukwana nere esiri tukuri igoro lyonse ekara ya manyire bali gukwana nere esiri tukuri igoro ntumanye balia bale kumurigia gwetera muno bale gukwana komo na bututamanye muno kisimi kyaye kyarenge egera batotebinga ndi barenge nero lyo mweryo na ndenga ibatiganirite na baro elinda aho ndakotokosire tega
ekiwa nayo kore kyo goichana keima tukubatuka engora ya bene gochiase amateyo ya nyagusira uyu nonyana bogotebekana kova use okabeire omorokia totera nayo nigo mokonyi bomuraibwense rigadigashawa omori kyo monene ase wizara isemi pelio kipsanga igatia baraibande anigo baikirana ase esukuru yabamurai ya Kapsabet yotoka AMAYIA County nandi asenchire yamoyo kubatuka engora ya bene kubwatukana numubasukano uyobete gokoyebwa trania ebasi yeskuru yo koirera makweri yo morokyo yo mona boigo o morokiwa baskano beteko gokorekana asensemo ya patka wanini epara ya Kabarnet Marigati AMAYIA County ya Baringo chingaki ebasi yo yabeteke wonchakana koirera o mobaskano yo naboigo amakweri asenonya nabo egati ya borokiwa naboiga borokiwa bategeretwe chingoma echo bagenderete ko wenia ase chinyagitari au gokwana chingagecho gashawani gaine kyabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza insiburaibwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto amonere nigo barachigotene na amoneskureyo asemerobere yonsi yokobaenia nyagosira aseboigo aine kyabuna nigo barachie kobwatoka ebasenya erachie gokonya eskureyo kogenderia nobo koleri bwabo aso kogenda chinsemo au ase emeroberio ya masomo.
We have come here as a government on behalf of the president to say pole. That is a very big blow to this institution. Losing a life of a teacher, student is a very heavy thing, especially for a family like this one, because you are one great family. And I want to bring the sympathies of the President and all of us, and to say that we are praying for you, for God to give you strength, to give you fortitude, to come to terms with the sad reality of losing a teacher who has been dear to you, of losing a student who is one of you. And we trust that our prayers will be heard by God to give you that strength. So we just came to register our comradeship and togetherness with you at this very, very difficult time. And we know that God will take care of you, and you will be able to hold. And even as we prepare to bury the teacher and the student, we shall give the support that is required. We continue to hold you in prayer. I therefore want to encourage you to work hard, to stay focused, and to tell you that the future is bright. As long as you are focused, all of you, through this great institution that has produced many great minds, including our peers here and others, that you too will have your day to be a man of substance. And I want to give a commitment on behalf of President William Ruto. I'll talk to him later in the day, and I'm sure there is no doubt that the President will give you another bus to replace that one, so that you are able to continue with.
Chinga kichiboigo gashawani gabaga kuroko bore ochiase abarundi abechigari ase chipara kwene kyabunanko babare maiso chinga kibara sobo koreri bwabo na monoko bwatia amachiko ayu abekire yokwene kya oburundi aborobuya ase eri gutanga emibasukano kwene kiwasa tayire buna ine nchireyemo yokorenda amayima yabantane nabana b'eskuru askiriya tayire buna ekyo nakyo egesako kyamambya.
To appeal to our drivers and other road users to exercise care and vigilance on our roads, and more so those who drive our buses for schools. These are precious jewels for our country. Our young people are the future of this country. So when we drive them around, we must remain alert that we carry the future of this great republic. So we continue to urge for a lot of care among our motorists on our roads, to drive at the right speed, to drive in the right way, so that we take care of the lives that we carry, and we make sure that we don't lose more Kenyans through road carnage.
Omana chebina monene mese ya Kenya Martha Koome nigo arariwe na kweweke wabuna umurayu mungina umutangani bw'umwaka asobokoreri ime yense ya Kenya nase umuyegobeto okorekana sensemo ya Addis Ababa ime yense ya Ethiopia okwana chinga kiechyo Koome nigate birebuna gosinigate betebuna ekyo ngubwatikana no kubwatirana n'abakori emirimo bonse na sensemo yebigambiro asenchira yo gwekirania obokoreri borobuya ase abananchi nigate betebuna inesegeto yoko bakonya gochia kobeka omokia asogo ikirania obokoreri bubwenerete asabanto bonsi no nyatari meyanse ya Kenya yoka korende asorgongoro Africa asobwagare.
This award is not mine alone to claim. It is indeed an accolade dedicated wholeheartedly to the institution that I am privileged to serve as the first woman Chief Justice of the Judiciary of Kenya. For me, this recognition shines a light on our collective endeavor to establish a justice system that is responsive and attuned to the needs, experiences, and expectations of the Kenyan people. This recognition is above all an encouragement because it inspires us all, the recipients of the 12th edition of the awards, to persist in our pursuit of leadership excellence and to relentlessly enhance the quality of service delivery of the institutions that we lead. It is also a call for action for all of us to continue working tirelessly for the advancement of our continent and
Egati ya baraya barabwatani bekiama kia ODM kurwa sorogongo rwa Coast nigo bait muitaberanire oyo kabera umugavana we county ya Mombasa Ali Hassan Jo gochia koirari bagaryo boteneneri ase kiame kyo kia ODM jinga kyo muraiwe kiame kyo Raila Amolo Odinga arabega kugenda korari ganga yaye yo kuryekero kyo bunyakerogo ase kyombekeri kyo bomo bwa Afrika gokwana nigo batere na orogongo rwa Coast rwabere rogotenane kiama kia ODM bwekiranu ase jinga Kichonsi nabo igomba bwente konyora ribagari ya monaso kwerwanira anena serikali yense ya Kenya aya magega ya Raila kumuraria omuyo kabero mugavana we county ya Kakamega weekly for paranya nabo igo Alasan Joho gochiago tenenera ekia mekyo kia ODM chinga kiarabega kogenda asenonya nabo ababwatani abuba ODM Core Coast babere bakumugania oparanya otigaguyaka ege kuba asebatere na rugongo rwa Coast na rubwenerete koira libagerio.
Nataka niwaambie si mapema kuzungumza kwamba Joho anafaa kuwa kiongozi wa chama cha ODM. Na sisi kama vijana wa Kilifi na Pwani, sisi tunasema tuko nyuma ya mheshimiwa gavana Joho kusimamia uongozi wa chama cha ODM.
Ali Hassan Joho amekuwa gavana hapa Mombasa, amekuwa deputy party leader. Safari hii Raila Amolo Odinga anapoenda kule Ethiopia, basi chama cha ODM tumwachie mheshimiwa Ali Hassan Joho.
Najua kumekuwa na debate hii ya ODM. Je, baba akienda ni wakina nani watabaki wakiongoza chama? Haiwezi kuwa miaka yote pale kulikuwa na naibu wawili wa viongozi wa chungwa. Naibu mmoja ni Oparanya, naibu mmoja ni Ali Hassan Joho. Kama baba anaenda na anasema yeye sasa wale waliobaki wana chini wake ndio ongoze, hata si wa Pwani tunataka kuongoza hiyo chama. Wa Pwani wamesimama na ODM ama hawajasimama na ODM miaka yote? Kila tukianguka tuangukana nani? Na baba. Kila tukiambiwa majibu yameibiwa tumekula zilizoibiwa za kina nani? Wa Pwani na watu wa Kilifi yetu social. Kwa hivyo hata sisi watu wasione hatuna usemi sisi kama wa Pwani katika hiyo chama ya ODM. Wakati tunafanya mashauri yani vipi serikali itaundwa, nataka tuhesabiwe. Ndio maana tumesema sisi kama wa Pwani tutasimama na deputy party leader Ali Hassan Joho.
Omurugi wa mokonyi bomuraiwese Pastor Dorcas gashawani gagendrete kurwa esege toa sabasae kobeka omukiasemirubero au eyo era bakonye kwegenderera nabo gwekinya ase amatukabosyo gokwana kinga ki aikerente asomuyega bwa baindi oyo menyekante buna Wolf Labels Fashion Show 2024 yobetako kwariganiwa ase ensemo ya Oshwell Center nigatebire buna CHINSA chinyinge cyabere chikobaye banene abana abamura na igomba yega buno yono chikokonya ase ogosegeta nabo igogo konya umwana mumura ase okwegenderera ase amatukabosyo nigo bigatebire buna nerebuya abasae kobeka omokia na kubaganya tiba bayisago kwa omoyo asekedi yonsi bagokora asekeria amaya niga baganiti.
Communities and culture have left the boy out there. They don't have a voice, and for the longest we have men who are becoming men without emotions because it is very tough to be a man. These days, the way we bring them up, we tell them not to have emotions, so they don't laugh, they don't speak, and they have become men who are very cold. But tonight, I have just seen men who are walking down this aisle, and they were walking like the real men of substance. And that tells you creation and fashion can be able to bring the best out of men, and they can express themselves. In our time, in the time we are living in, we must reimagine the future of all of us together. No one should. I am here to encourage our young people and hundreds of others who have invested in creative industries to fight on, to keep on trying, never to give up. Whatever you create, somebody may be telling you it is not for this season, it is not for this time, but I can tell you, in the world, somebody will be able to buy what you are creating. So don't give up. Continue creating. Millions of people are going to see your art, your work, your creativity, and we are going to encourage you. Young people, creating with your own hands, with your own mind, it is the best thing that can ever happen to you. Nobody can limit a mind. Nobody can limit you. You are without limits.
Mwanchi omulgeria ya munanda mange tumirane chikoraga CHINSA 10 na ndengo manya senchera ere yo winge gendra kubwati mirobere yonsi me Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook otunyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News pego naboko yosomo etera se website yaito www.ndizitv.net eri otoge sanga asobwa mereterana EVERLYENE OSERO Abigael Nyanchama nero ne kyachibicha nero gichawe kera senchera ya bene twara obulgereri burobya.